So I'm going to show you how to cook idli in the oven. So this is the idli container which I regularly use for my idli making preparation in the oven. So this is the only idli maker I found in the store. 4, so 12 idlis, but these are so small idlis. So regularly when you eat 4 idlis, the big 4 idlis, you need to eat 8 at least this small idlis. So let me show you how to prepare idli in the oven. So for that you need to add a cup of water in this, and you need to leave it for 1 minute in the oven. So I have taken a cup of water and you just pour it off and place it in the oven and keep it for 1 minute. So just keep it inside the oven. Close it. Keep it for 1 minute or 1.5 minutes so that it makes a little bit hot. So it's going to end, and remove it. And the water is very hot, so place the first tray and you pour the idli batter. This is more than enough. Don't pour it more because it sticks on the second plate. Place the second level and you again do the same for the 3 plates. So second is ready. Place the third. So you need to fix it the round one to the lower level. It's been fixed. And again do the same. And the 3 plates are ready, and close it up. Close it, and this has to be opened and kept while you keep it inside the oven. So carefully place it inside the oven and leave it for 6 minutes. And I have kept more. If you keep less amount of the batter, so 4 minutes enough. I have poured a little bit more, so I'm keeping it for 6 minutes. That is 6.5 minutes, and the idli is ready. So I'll just take it off. It's not that much hot, but be it carefully. So you can see the water vapor at the top. So after removing, and the idli is ready. So soft. So using the idli remover, you just remove the idli, and so soft it is. It is a regular idlis. You find it so soft, and it is ready. So thank you for watching, and I bought this in Pondicherry in Greece. It's like 450, I think so. I don't remember. So if people make it so easy cooking idli in this idli maker. Thank you for watching. Subscribe me for more videos. And if any queries, comment down below. Bye bye.